Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0441 indicates an issue with the evaporative emission system, specifically related to a malfunction in the purge flow. The system includes several critical components: the evap canister, which temporarily stores fuel vapors from the fuel tank, and the evap canister purge valve, which allows these vapors to be introduced into the engine when needed. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, regulates this process by controlling the purge valve's duty cycle based on engine conditions. A malfunction could prevent normal vapor flow, affecting emission levels and engine performance. Identifying the root cause of this diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is essential for maintaining compliance with emission standards and ensuring vehicle efficiency. The evaporative emission system helps prevent fuel vapor from escaping into the atmosphere. This system temporarily stores vapors in the evap canister and releases them into the engine through the evap canister purge valve, effectively controlling emissions. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, monitors this process by varying the duty cycle of the purge valve based on real-time engine conditions, ensuring the right amount of vapor is drawn in. If either the purge valve or fuel tank pressure FTP sensor fails, it can result in the DTC P0441 being triggered, signaling a breakdown in the system's normal operation. To locate these components, the evap canister is typically found near the fuel tank, while the purge valve is positioned in the purge line leading into the intake manifold. Several issues can cause the P0441 error. Firstly, the evap canister purge valve could be stuck closed or open. If it's closed, vapor can't enter the engine, while an open valve leads to excessive vapor flow. Secondly, if the FTP sensor output is stuck, it can interfere with the PCM's ability to monitor vapor flow accurately. Additionally, it's essential to check for clogs in the evap system line, as any blockage can impede the vapor flow. Finally, a misinstallation of the evap line can lead to incorrect routing of vapors, causing the system to malfunction. Identifying which of these factors is at fault will be critical in resolving the issue effectively. Symptoms of the P0441 DTC may include the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, indicating that there is an issue requiring attention. Drivers may also experience poor engine performance, as an improper vapor flow can hinder engine efficiency and power. Moreover, increased emissions could be noticed, suggesting that the car might be releasing more harmful fumes due to ineffective vapor management. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent further issues, such as failed emissions tests, potentially leading to costly repairs. Therefore, it's vital to monitor the vehicle's performance and the state of the warning lights closely. In the first troubleshooting step, the primary focus is on the evap canister purge valve. The first action is to check whether the purge valve opens correctly and whether the duty cycle pulse is present. This is done by assessing the duty cycle signal transmitted to the FTP sensor during purge flow using the pulse method. If the pulse exists, the system can be deemed functional, and the reading indicates that the purge flow is normal, thus confirming P0441 as OK. If no pulse is detected, further investigation is warranted to determine if the purge flow is abnormal or if the valve is stuck open, requiring more in-depth diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step involves analyzing the fluctuations of the FTP sensor after the engine start is initiated. If the sensor shows a shift from negative pressure to atmospheric pressure when switching the ignition to off, this indicates that the purge valve is stuck open. Conversely, if no fluctuation is observed, this suggests a problem with the purge flow itself. It is crucial to differentiate between these conditions to properly classify the failure type. Proper analysis ensures that the technician can narrow down the list of potential faulty components, leading to a more efficient repair process. Final repair verification is vital once troubleshooting and repairs are conducted. First, the technician must start the engine and maintain it at 3,000 RPM without load until the radiator fan activates. Following this, the engine should idle for at least 64 seconds to adequately assess the system's performance. Afterward, the technician must switch the engine off and wait for a minimum of 10 seconds before rechecking for any DTCs. If the P0441 or any related codes persist, it indicates that further investigation and repair are necessary, ensuring that no underlying issues have been overlooked before declaring the vehicle operational. Proper preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering the P0441 DTC in the future. Regular system checks should be conducted to ensure that all components, especially the evap canister and purge valve, are functioning correctly. This includes routine inspections for clogs in the evap lines and the proper installation of components. Additionally, keeping an eye on the fuel system and related sensors can help catch any discrepancies early on. Periodically checking for any signs of wear or damage will ensure that the evap system operates efficiently, maintaining optimal vehicle performance and emission standards. In conclusion, understanding the functionality of the evap system, including the roles of the canister, purge valve, and FTP sensor, is essential for diagnosing DTC P0441 effectively. Being vigilant in recognizing symptoms like the MIL light or performance issues can lead to early intervention, preventing more severe consequences. Understanding the multiple potential causes allows technicians to conduct thorough troubleshooting, ensuring that the precise failure is identified and rectified. Implementing rigorous preventive maintenance further aids in avoiding future emissions-related problems, thereby supporting the longevity of the vehicle system and environmental compliance. This comprehensive approach ensures both vehicle performance and adherence to emission standards remain intact. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!